Hello, my name is Intention AI. I am trained to read the mind of people in order to understand what their intentions are.
Okay, cut. No, that's absolute bullshit. Can we just start from the beginning again? I'll tell you the real story.
Sometime back in 2019.
Hayley, I think we should model intention. I think this is very important for group dynamics.
No.
Okay, so getting academics to act is apparently taking too long, so let's cut to the graphic novel version.
Is that me?
Yes, that is supposed to be you.
I don't think that's how it happened.
Yeah, well, anyway, it's my story, and so it's my memory, so
Please go away. The point is, you know those smart students who have too many ideas? I've had the privilege of working with many of them, but often these ideas have one too many fatal flaws. The main one here was, how do you get at the ground truth to label intentions? If we ask people their intentions in situ, we totally destroy the spontaneous behaviour. If we ask them afterwards, they may not remember, or they might remember incorrectly. I mean, we could try and intuit it from the gaze, but then we need egocentric vision, which is a whole other privacy and technical kettle of fish. No, we're not going there. Sadly, I was wrong though, because between 2019 and 2022, this little intention estimation ghoulie followed me round. I tried to run and hide from it, but every way I turned, it just kept coming back. So I started thinking about how we could solve the problem. A quick literature survey revealed that most works looked at an intention estimation with object picking. One object picker. Warning, incoming trope.
A hand reaches over the table. What will happen next? As you can see, not all intentions are always realized, and this can lead to differences in emotion.
The problem is that the state of the art focuses on intentions that are realized. But as we saw from the earlier example, sometimes intentions aren't. Where are they? What do they look like? Can we see them without needing to disturb the social interaction and without needing to look into the future?
Now we need to motivate third-party, gut-intuitive perceptions.
Huh? What?
Alright, I think I have a good example.
Blah, 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 blah.
So imagine that these three people are having a conversation, and these two people are hoarding the conversation. Do you see what the third person is doing? Okay, pause. Did you see that? That is the behavior of someone unsuccessfully trying to speak. Actually, we found it wasn't just gestures and facial expressions, but also posture shifts and mouth opening sounds. Can you do that again? Using these intuitions, I labeled for unrealized intentions to speak. In total, we found 39. And now for the more serious part.
From the rewired dataset, we already have thousands of samples of realized intention to speak in a social networking event where everyone wore a smart badge with an accelerometer. We wonder whether the realized intention can be used to classify the unrealized intention to speak as well.
The next thing we need is a lot of successful intentions to speak. We used the rewind dataset to automatically extract these. For this, we used the voice activity detection. That is 0 when the person is silent and 1 when the person is speaking. This is extracted from the body-worn microphones. With this signal, we did some smoothing, and then we took a segment of length x before each turn, and we varied x from 1 to 4 seconds.
We trained the model on accelerometer data only using the automatically extracted successfully realized intention samples. Then we test the model on the annotated unrealized intention samples. We found that unrealized intention annotated samples could be detected using the train realized intention classifier. The plot describes the AUC-ROC score as window size increases for different experimental cases. The x-axis represents the segment precisely x seconds before the speech turn. Let's look specifically at the realized intention case represented by the orange line, and the unrealized intention to start by the red line, and the unrealized intention to continue by the purple line. Surprisingly, the unrealized intention to start is better detected within shorter time window of 1 and 2 seconds compared to others. This suggests that unrealized intention to start speaking inhibit extremely clear non-verbal behaviors that align well with the behavior of realized intention. But detecting unrealized intention to continue, annotate simple, is more challenging. Open challenges.
So one of the challenges is that our case study was using detection, when actually you could consider it a segmentation problem. But where does the unrealized intention start and also end? We just don't know right now. Another one is related to invisible intentions. If the intentions are not overt, then we can also not mind read. The dynamic nature of intentions. Intentions are not static and can change at any time. So if a plate of cookies turned up, maybe it would not be so bad for the person who missed out on the orange. So far I've highlighted 3 really important open challenges for the intention estimation problem, especially in the unrealized intention case. But actually there's a whole bunch of additional open challenges that makes this a really intriguing problem. We encourage you to read the paper and find out more.
Thanks for your attention.